In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your Wix website in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to streamline booking and make scheduling easier for both you and your clients. So let's dive right in. First, head over to calendly.com. This is your go-to for all scheduling needs, and it integrates seamlessly with various platforms including Wix. Once you're on their homepage, locate and click on the login button. It's time to access your account. Now enter your email address, make sure it's the one you used when signing up for Calendly. Once that's done, click continue. You'll be taken to another screen where you need to input your password. Go ahead and enter that, then click continue again. This will take you to your Calendly homepage. With Calendly loaded up, the next step is to select the event you'd like to embed on your Wix site. Click on view booking page for your chosen event. Once here, you'll see a URL at the top of your browser. This is the link your clients will use to book with you. Go ahead and copy that URL, we'll need it in just a moment. With the URL handy, let's move on to Wix. Open up your Wix website editor. If you're new to Wix, you'll find it's a user-friendly platform perfect for customizing your website. Inside the editor, look for the Add Elements button, which is typically on the left side of the screen. Click on it, then choose Embed Code from the available options. Now click on Embed a Site. This is where things start to come together. Make sure you select website address to ensure that you're embedding the link accurately. Once that box is ticked, paste the URL you copied from Calendly. Now that the URL is in place, click on Apply to save your changes. With your Calendly event embedded, you can now drag and drop it to position it perfectly within your Wix website. Be sure to place it where it makes the most sense for your users, whether that's on a contact page or your home page. Depending on your site design, you might need to make some adjustments to ensure everything looks nice and fits well. After you're happy with the placement and appearance, click on Preview to see how it looks live on your site. Take a moment to test everything. Ensure the booking feature is working smoothly. If it's all set and functioning as you want, it's time for the final step. Lastly, click on Publish. Your changes will go live for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Calendly into your Wix website, enhancing your scheduling process and providing a seamless booking experience for your visitors.